Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this fun summer yellow blinged out acrylic nails. So the monomer, I am using Young Nails, and as far as the colored acrylic, I am using the Glam and Glitz collections. I will post everything that I'm using, the products I've been using so far in this video, down in the description box. So if you need to refer there, just scroll down there. I'll put everything on my link, all the links where I bought the products and the price of what I paid for. So I still stick with the 3-ball method. I don't know how anyone else out there does it. I know a lot of people do just the 1-ball method. I've tried that, but I wasn't really used to it and I didn't really like it, so I just stick to my 3-ball method. I've been doing nails now for about 4 to 5 years, and I still stick with the 3-ball method. It's just something I'm OCD about. But anyways, usually before I started, I really didn't have a lot to work with. I basically just bought clear acrylic, my monomer, and a lot of nail polishes. So when I started, that's all I had. I'd never really invested in gel polish and colored acrylic until later on. I think I want to say in my 4th or 3rd year of doing nails. I'm not a professional whatsoever, but I am a perfectionist, and I think that's what my clients love most about me. I have to be precise, especially when I'm doing my nails or when I'm doing my clients' nails. I'm just always looking at the nails or my clients' nails, and they're just like, oh my god, like, what are you doing? The nail is fine, but in my eyes, I find like little things, and it just, again, it's my OCD, and it's a curse, but then again, it's really good because my clients love that about me. So when I started, I really thank my in-laws, my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, and my mom for always being my model. They always lended their hands literally to me for me to do my practicing, which was a big help. And it helps you a lot when you have people to support you. And I mean, regardless of what their nails look like, they're just like, okay, you know, you're practicing still, so it's fine. But I decided to put these little round, I think they're like it's not foils, but I got this, I believe, on Amazon or Wish. I'm gonna have to double check that, but I really just wanted some kind of decoration. I wanted to be a little bit extra. I mean, why not, since I'm going for yellow nails, right? So I went ahead and add that on my thumb, and then I'm using the clear acrylic from Young Nails, and I apply that over my colored acrylic, just because when I'm gonna buff and when I'm filing, I won't mess up the colored acrylic So I prefer and I recommend using the clear acrylic on top of any colored acrylic that you're going to be using. I try not to get too close to the cuticles, because if you get the product close to the cuticle, you are gonna end up noticing lifting, especially a couple days after, especially with your clients, and they will tell you, hey, you know, my nail's lifting, what's going on? So you really want to prevent touching the cuticle area. And if you do, try to clean it up around, usually what I do is I just get the brush and I kind of clear it up on the sides. I go around the cuticle area just to make sure there's no acrylic on there. Otherwise, you're just really gonna have to file, and then you're gonna end up getting too close to the cuticles where you're gonna your clients are gonna end up getting either scratches or bleeding when you're filing too close to the cuticle. So you want to prevent any product away from the cuticles, at least a little bit, like a really little bit product. Just avoid that cuticle area. Leave a little bit of space, like a hair strand space. So now, I mean, I prefer acrylic or colored acrylic now than I do with my nail polishes. And I feel like my clients got so used to me doing colored acrylic. They just love the colored acrylic. It's just faster and it's easier for them because they don't have to worry about if it's nail polish, they don't have to worry about the polish, you know, breaking or, you know, chipping. So it's just like all my clients really prefer the colored acrylic, and they always ask me, hey, do you have this color? And if not, then they either just ask me if I can get that color in acrylic, you know, and then I usually do. And then it's better for me because then I can just start storing a lot of a colored acrylic. I still use gel polish and nail polish for the patients, for the clients who want nail polish or gel polish. Now, this gel that I'm using to hold the rhinestones, I've had it for, I want to say like a month or two already. So I decided to do it on myself. I wanted to be the first one to use it and see how long my rhinestones are going to last. And they did not last not even a week. There was some rhinestones that were just popping off, and it was just so frustrating and irritating to me. And I can't imagine if I were to use this on my clients, it would be the same way. So now I just stick with using gel clear coat on my clients, and then putting the rhinestones and adding a little bit more, and then putting the rhinestones. So I mean, so far I've had no problems with that. But how about you guys? Like, what kind of product do you use to hold the rhinestones? You can please leave a comment down below. Let me know. I really appreciate it because I'm trying to look for other stuff to use for, especially with rhinestones, because rhinestones are really big out there, and a lot of people like putting rhinestones on their nails. So this is what I got after I finished my nails, and I loved it. I got so many compliments about it. And again, I will drop everything in the description box. So hopefully you guys like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting every Thursdays and Fridays, and I will see you guys later.